how to post reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to post reels on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. All you need to do is click on Instagram, click on the plus icon up there, and click on the third option, which is reel. And now select a video to post and click on add, on preview. You can edit this video by add music and sounds, anything you want, and click next. And now all you need to do is write a caption and click on next. You can tag people and also you can rename audio. Now click on next and share. So this is it guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.